Hello and welcome to the Workouts for Older Men podcast. I'm Skip Cour, and I'm so glad you're here today. Now, today's episode is going to be a little bit different. Normally, we talk about the practical aspects of fitness, sets, reps, the right diet, and strategies to build muscle and lose body fat. But today, I want to take a step back and dive into something deeper. At this stage of life, we know that fitness is about so much more than how we look in the mirror or improving our general health. Fitness often becomes a cornerstone for mental and emotional well-being. It's a tool we use to find clarity, purpose, and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Life isn't for the faint of heart, is it? We've all been through the ups and downs, and we know how tough it can get. That's why today I want to explore how our fitness journey can serve as a stepping stone to living a happier, more fulfilling life. Yes, we want to build muscle, lose fat, and stay healthy, but fitness can also help us overcome the disappointments and struggles life throws our way. I know what you're going through because I've been through it too. And that shared experience is what I want to talk about today. Let's get a little clarity. Let's find a little purpose, and let's remember why we're doing this fitness thing in the first place. In today's podcast, I want to talk about blessings, challenges, and the journey of adjustments. A message to men who feel stuck. Life has been a balancing act. I've been blessed beyond measure, but those blessings didn't come without sacrifices. I've also faced my share of challenges, and often they stem from the very blessings I worked so hard to achieve. Such is life, and we all face the constant need to adjust, recalibrate, and find our way through the push and pull of it all. If you're reading this and feeling overwhelmed, discouraged, or frustrated about where you are in your fitness or health journey, I want to tell you something. You're not alone, and more importantly, there's nothing wrong with you. It's easy to feel defeated when you look in the mirror and see a body that doesn't reflect the strong, capable man you are inside. Maybe you've tried before, only to give up because it felt like too much. Maybe you've spent years putting your family, career, and other responsibilities first, and now you're wondering if it's too late to make a change. I get it. I really do. I'm not just another fitness coach throwing out platitudes or promising quick fixes. I've been through it too, and I know how overwhelming it can feel to tackle an area of life that's fallen by the wayside. But let me be clear. The effort you didn't put into your fitness doesn't mean you were lazy, stupid, or unworthy. Far from it. Think about all you've achieved. You've supported your family, navigated the ups and downs of marriage, and raised children who are thriving in a world that often tears families apart. You've built a career or a business that provides financial security, not just for yourself, but for the people who depend on you. You've endured, persisted, and succeeded where many others could not. Those accomplishments required focus, time, and energy. They demanded sacrifices, and one of those sacrifices might have been your fitness. That doesn't make you less of a man. It makes you human. I know how tempting it is to compare yourself to someone like me, a 62-year-old man who's won 6 national bodybuilding championships, been featured in magazines, appeared in TV commercials, and spent decades motivating others to excel in fitness and life. You might look at me and think, of course he's in shape. All right, this is his life. He doesn't know what it's like to have my responsibilities. And you're right. Fitness has been my life in many ways. But even now, I face my own challenges. Every success I've had came with sacrifices in other areas of my life. Every blessing I enjoy today has at times created its own unique challenges. So believe me when I say I understand what it's like to feel stretched thin, to feel like there's always more to do, and to wonder if you're capable of making a change. The key to navigating these feelings isn't to dwell on what you didn't do or to beat yourself up for the choices you made. Instead, it's about making the necessary adjustments now with the life you have today. It's about realizing that change is possible, even if it feels overwhelming. Your fitness journey doesn't have to be complicated or all-consuming. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's journey either. It just needs to be yours. Small, consistent steps can lead to big transformations, and I'm here to help you take those steps. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start feeling empowered, I've created resources specifically for men like you. My course, The Biggest Fitness Challenges That Older Men Face and Their Solutions, breaks everything down into simple, manageable steps. It's designed to meet you where you are without overwhelming you with unnecessary information. And if you've ever wondered about one-on-one coaching, I'd encourage you to give it a try. For just $147, you'll get an hour of coaching with me, a chance to put everything into perspective and create a plan tailored to your life and goals. It's a small investment that could make a massive difference in how you approach your fitness and overall well-being. Remember, the journey you've been on, the sacrifices, the blessings, the challenges, they've shaped you into the resilient, capable man you are today. Fitness is just one more adjustment to make in the ongoing balancing act of life. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Whether it's through my courses, coaching, or simply the messages I share, my goal is to remind you that you're not alone in this. You're stronger than you think, and it's never too late to create the life you want. Thank you for being here and for trusting me to be part of your journey. Let's take that first step together, and that's going to do it for this episode of the Workouts for Older Men podcast. I'm so glad you're here and that we get to have these conversations together. If you want to gain more confidence and clarity in your fitness journey, I'd love to help you, whether it's figuring out the best way to eat, structuring your workouts, or reaching your health and fitness goals. I'm here for you. Along the way, we'll not only master your fitness, but also build the mental resilience that will help you tackle life's other challenges. If you've ever thought about one-on-one coaching, I'd love to talk with you about it. There's no obligation. We can have a conversation to see if it's the right fit for you. If it is, we'll take the next step together. Stick around if you'd like to hear me answer some of the most commonly asked questions about my one-on-one coaching program. If not, thank you so much for listening to this episode. Let's take on the day with a sense of urgency because, let's face it, we have more time behind us than ahead of us. Let's make it our goal that when a younger man sees us, he no longer fears getting older. Have a great day and make it an awesome one. You've probably heard me mention my one-on-one coaching a few times, maybe 10 times, maybe more. And there's a reason for that. I'm incredibly passionate about it because I've been doing this for so many years with hundreds of men just like you. I truly believe that one-on-one coaching delivers the biggest impact in the shortest amount of time. The men I work with don't have the luxury of time to waste on trial and error or on misinterpreting the intent behind podcasts, videos, or blog posts. They're busy, driven, and want to be effective and efficient with their willpower, focus, energy, and time. And that's where I come in. There's nothing like having your own personal coach to break things down in a way that makes sense to you, customized to your unique situation, your goals, and your challenges. That's something you just can't get from trying to piece together information on your own. It's not your fault. You just haven't reached the level you want to yet, and that's exactly why I'm here. I've made it to the other side, and I'm here to guide you, saving you time, frustration, confusion, and energy along the way. That's why I'm so passionate about one-on-one coaching and why I talk about it so much. It's the fastest, most efficient way to get the results you want. So to help you understand more about this process, I've compiled a list of the most commonly asked questions from men like you who are navigating different phases of their fitness journey. And one more thing, let me make this absolutely clear. When you sign up for one-on-one coaching, you're working directly with me. I'm not just the guy who motivates you through podcasts and videos only to hand you off to someone else. I'm the one who got you interested, the one who inspired you, and I'll be the one guiding you every step of the way. Now, here are 5 of the most commonly asked questions I get from men who are ready to take their fitness and their lives to the next level through one-on-one coaching with me.
How can your coaching help me lose these last 10 to 15 pounds? I've made good progress on my own, but it feels like my body is stuck, and I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong.
I completely understand how frustrating it can be to lose those last stubborn pounds. It's a common challenge for men like you. My coaching is tailored specifically for men who are a little older, with busy lives and unique bodies that require a different approach. I'll design a precise plan that's based on your current progress, focusing on strategic tweaks to your nutrition, workouts, and even lifestyle habits to break through that plateau. With my guidance, you'll not only lose those last pounds, but feel confident in maintaining the lean, athletic look you've worked so hard to achieve.
I've been working out consistently for 2 years, but I still feel uncertain about whether my workouts are truly effective. How can your coaching help me train with confidence and purpose?
You've already built a great foundation, but you deserve to feel 100% certain that every rep, set, and workout is moving you closer to your goals. I've worked with countless men in your situation, and my 36 years of experience allow me to cut through all the noise and give you a simple, effective workout plan that fits your needs and maximizes your results. I'll teach you exactly what to do and why it works, so you'll never have to second guess yourself again. Imagine walking into the gym with a clear, targeted plan every single time. No confusion, no wasted effort.
My diet is okay, but I'm not sure if I'm eating the right foods or in the right amounts. Can you help me figure out exactly what to eat to finally see the results I want?
Absolutely. Nutrition is where a lot of guys get stuck, and it's often the missing piece to unlocking your next level of fitness. During our coaching, I'll simplify everything for you. No complicated diets or fads, just clear, easy to follow guidance tailored to your lifestyle and preferences. I'll help you dial in your portions, make smarter food choices, and even handle social situations and family meals so you're never left guessing. You'll know exactly what to eat and how much, and you'll feel confident that you're fueling your body for both fat loss and energy.
Sometimes I feel like I don't have the energy or motivation to push as hard as I should, especially after a long day at work. How can you help me stay consistent and energized?
Consistency is everything, and I'll be there to keep you accountable every step of the way. My coaching isn't just about workouts and nutrition. It's about building the habits and mindset you need to succeed long term. I'll help you create a structure that fits into your busy life with strategies to overcome those days when motivation's low. You'll find yourself more energized, more focused, and more excited about your progress because you'll have a coach in your corner who knows how to keep you on track and inspired.
I'm proud of how far I've come, but I want to take my fitness to the next level. How will your coaching make sure I'm not just maintaining, but actually improving and hitting my ultimate goals?
I know how important it is to keep improving, not just maintaining the progress you've already made. With my coaching, we'll set clear, measurable goals that push you to your next level, whether it's building more muscle, losing those last pounds, or just feeling better and more capable than ever. I'll adjust your program as you progress to make sure you're always challenged and growing. You won't just look better. You'll feel stronger, healthier, and more confident in every aspect of your life. My ultimate goal is to help you create a fitness level and lifestyle that you're proud of, not just now, but for the rest of your life. These are the most common questions I get, and I want you to know that you can always reach out to me directly. Call me at 925-352-4366 or text me, and we'll set up some time to talk. Here's something I want to make crystal clear. When you choose one-on-one coaching with me, you're working with me, not with an assistant, not with someone I've outsourced to. You've watched my videos, listened to my podcast, seen my body of work online, and maybe even searched Skip LaCour to learn more about my background and accomplishments. I'm the reason you're here, and I'll be the one guiding you through this journey. I know my videos, podcasts, and articles are helpful. I created them to inspire and inform you, but let me tell you, nothing compares to one-on-one coaching. It's personalized, targeted, and tailored exactly to you and your goals. It's where the real transformation happens because it's just you and me focusing on what matters most to you. I've developed many different ways to help you reach your goals through this coaching process. So don't hesitate, reach out today. Let's talk about your unique challenges and goals, and I'll show you just how different and effective one-on-one coaching can be. Call or text me at 925-352-4366, and let's get started.